welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 International Scout 800. Very interesting vehicle here at Skyway Classics, featuring its mint exterior. In fact, this black top does come off, so it makes a perfect, I would say, beach vehicle, even an off-road vehicle. This does feature the 4x4 off-road. Going into the interior now, as you can see, is a 3-speed manual. Got the old-fashioned steering wheel, old-fashioned gauges. You also have the glove box painted the same mint as the exterior. Going underneath the hood, it has a 4-cylinder. Not the quickest motor in the world, but definitely one of the most reliable. Definitely got to help on that gas mileage, if I do say so myself. But anyway, going up the road now, making a lot of noise, which is kind of interesting. I honestly feel like I'm driving a tractor-trailer 18-wheeler. Other than that, since there's nobody behind us now, we can get a little bit of a brake test. Steering wheel is actually holding up pretty good. Didn't pull us in any other direction. One thing I do want to mention with this cool vehicle is it does have a fuel pump / kill switch underneath the dash, so you never have to worry about somebody's trying to steal your beautiful Classic. But as for now, though, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.